Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Silver showed a little bit of action today as well. The microstructure is quite messy, but I want to try to count the micro with you. Okay, I mean, I'm talking about the micro because with the dip today, I think we can identify a structure, even though it's not a great pattern, okay? But it's interesting now, the silver chart. That's why I again make another video. I find silver a little bit clearer than gold at the moment. So gold is a right mess. Silver at least, where you can identify some structures. And remember, we entered the week with a focus on higher prices, yeah, because the market dipped into this support area again, the golden ratio level there at $27.79, and we're watching for higher prices. But of course, we don't know how the structure will look like. I can tell you it's a mess, but I think we can identify a 5-wave move up from the swing low here on the 6th of September. So we have from the overall larger low there in August, 7th of August, already a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave pullback. So that's why here somewhere we are watching for a reversal in a third wave, at least as long as we're holding the $27.18 level. So what I cannot rule out at this stage is maybe even one more low, even in this yellow wave 2, which started at this swing high end of August. Yeah, so I cannot rule out that this wave 2 is still unfolding, because we're holding support and it could definitely, it could get one more low. Yeah, and it still has space in the support region. And there are many ways how this could happen. For example, we might be dealing here with maybe a wave 4 triangle, a sideways triangle. Yes, it would be a messy one, but it's valid. Or maybe even some kind of a complex flat correction. But at the moment, I think I can identify a 5-wave move up. So let's take a look at the 30-minute chart. And you see it just visually. Is it reliable? I mean, not really on this scale, but this is a wave 1, a wave 2. This could be a 3, this could be a 4. Only in a diagonal, however, it would have to be an expanding diagonal. Well, see, and that means, because we formed a higher low in this pullback, that we might have seen another 1-2 setup. 1, 2, and we might be starting the third wave up now. So that we could do something like this. And in this scenario, where should the third wave take us? Normally what I want to see is the 1.236 extension at least, maybe even higher. So I'm talking about $29.56 or higher in this third wave. Yeah. The condition, and there's with any analysis you get a risk level, the condition is that the intraday low is holding, because that would be the invalidation point. So that's at $28.05. And minimum target for a third would be $29.56. Again, this could be some kind of maybe a strange flat correction. I mean, what if this is the fourth wave? Yeah. But that's exactly why we have an invalidation point. That's why we manage risk. This is not a reliable move up because it's only a diagonal. They have a very high failure rate. But if we break above the intraday high, which formed here at $28.90, I think that could be the start of a third wave to the upside. Also, can we draw a trend line? Let's double check that. Sometimes we have, yeah, we might just be about to break it. I mean, again, it's a bit subjective how to draw it, but it seems to be a trend line that's kind of relevant. So it's not so important, not as important as breaking above the recent high, the wave 1 high, but still something to watch. Yeah, so that means in the very short term, pay attention to that wave 2 low as key risk level. And the momentum seems to be up at the moment. And as long as we're holding the intraday low, the third wave should take us to $29.56 or higher. That's the update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500 as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out the Stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.